Welcome to Tech Vibes. Your TV turns on. Suddenly, the screen goes black. No sound, no picture. One voltage spike can destroy a main board. Today, I will explain if you really need a voltage stabilizer for your TV. I am speaking as a technician. This is based on real repair experience, not marketing talk. First, let us understand the problem. In many areas, especially in Bangladesh, voltage is not stable. Normal household voltage should be around 230 volt AC. In real life, it can drop to 180 volt or rise above 260 volt. These fluctuations damage sensitive TV components. Modern smart TVs use SMPS power supply. SMPS means switched mode power supply. It is efficient but sensitive to extreme voltage. High voltage damages capacitors. Low voltage overheats the power section. Over time, this damages the main board. Now the big question, do all TVs need a voltage stabilizer? The answer is not always, but many do. If you live in an area with frequent voltage fluctuation or load shedding, you need protection. If lights flicker, fan speed changes, or fridge sound varies, your voltage is unstable. In this case, a stabilizer is strongly recommended. If you use an inverter, IPS, or generator, a stabilizer is a must. These power sources often produce uneven voltage and spikes. What about branded TVs like Samsung, Sony, LG, TCL, and Hisense? Most modern TVs support wide voltage input, usually 100 to 240 volt AC. But this does not protect against sudden voltage spikes. Surge damages TVs faster than slow fluctuation. The best solution is a good quality voltage stabilizer with built-in surge protection, or use a high-quality stabilizer plus surge protector combo. Technician tip: avoid cheap relay-type stabilizers. They click frequently and cause micro-power cuts. Choose a servo-type stabilizer for smooth voltage output. Minimum rating should be 1 kVA for LED and LCD TVs. For OLED TVs, use higher quality protection. A common mistake is using only extension boards. Extension boards do not protect from high voltage. Connecting TV directly to the wall socket is risky. Final advice: if your area has stable voltage, a stabilizer is optional. If voltage is unstable, a stabilizer can save your TV mainboard. Mainboard replacement costs more than a stabilizer. Protect your TV. Protect your money. This is Tech Vibes. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe.